unfortunately, I gotta go somewhere, so you guys can't go next to me. Gotta go in. Use the car. No, your car. See your car right there?
Oh no!
I'm sorry. Look at that bag right there. See past
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. Oh man! You go.
Happy Father's Day.
Look at that.
That's you.
I thought this was in West when we came up.
That's it.
Oh man! I can't believe that. Oh man!
Drop top, everything. Look.
Wow, this is fun. I was ready to die.
Happy Father's
How you
Day.
doing, guys? Y'all caught me at a bad time.
This is my friend right here.
Huh?
He's my friend's videotape. There you go.
Happy Father's Day, baby!
Look. Let out the window. Alright, do you see this right here? Watch your mom. I know.
It's nice. That's nice.
I love it. See, this is how you do Father's Day, folks. This is how you do it. Buy your dad a new car.
I created a new business that's creating passive daily residual income for me and my family. So I'm super excited.
This is Jonathan Bender, ex-NBA player. I wanted to talk a little bit about my boy Wesley Virgin. He knows a lot, man, when it comes down to this internet biz, info marketing. It's been great. I mean, I'm gonna follow this guy definitely because he's at the top.
Yo, Wesley, I want to give you a big shout out, player. I heard you doing some good stuff where you are. Try to reprogram mine, man. Hey, well done, Wesley, on everything you're doing over there, man. Keep inspiring people, okay? Giving them hope, get them a way out. Be great, 10x every day. 10x. I said 10x.